Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out and doing like a little wear test of the Tula Brightening Serum Skin Tint. So if you guys want to see how well this product works out, keep on watching. So I got this in my Ipsy. I think I got it as an add-on, and I got the shade 005. So I'm a little nervous to see if it matches my skin. According to the Tula website, this is a weightless, breathable skin tint packed with skin-first ingredients to boost your daily glow. The Serum Light formula, featuring our Rainbow Sea Bright elixir, helps brighten and even the look of skin tone, provides SPF 30 protection, and is clinically proven to increase skin radiance. There is 30 different shades, and you can get 12-hour long wearing buildable to So with this, you get 12-hour long wearing buildable light to medium coverage to let your skin shine through. This is good for oily combination, mature, dry, balanced, acne prone, or sensitive skin. It retails for $42, and the shade that I got, like I said, is 05 Light Neutral. So let's try it out. So my skincare is all done, but I do want to go in with my primer, and I've been liking this one from Skin Inc. It is the Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter. I just do one little pump of this, and this literally gives you the prettiest glow. You can wear this on its own or with makeup. I've been wearing it with makeup. Let's go in with our Tula skin tint. Before I apply it to my skin, I just like to give it a good shake, and that's what the applicator looks like. So I'm just gonna go in just like this to the skin, a little bit. This is how I apply my foundation every day, and I'm just going to apply this with my beauty sponge, because again, that's just how I apply. Ooh, this is dewy and glowy, which I love. I think the shade is really good. It is a smidge lighter than my skin tone, but honestly, that's okay. Once I give it like a minute to just dry down, I feel like it'll be perfect. I really love how it covered up my redness that's on my cheeks. I have very, very red cheeks, and this pretty much covered everything up. I love this. It's so pretty. It feels like I'm wearing nothing. It's very lightweight. I feel like if I applied a little bit to the back of my hand and then dotted it on my face, I would get a really light coverage, but because I went in and applied it directly to my face, it is very medium coverage, but I really like that. Okay, so I'm done applying and blending it. I love how this looks on the skin. It is just so glowy and dewy. This is a product I've wanted because this is something I can wear just like on the weekends. I feel like if I did a little bit of a dot on the back of my hand, I would have had a really light coverage and really, really pretty for the weekends when you're not wearing makeup, but you want to just like, you know, wear a little bit of makeup, if that makes sense. But because I applied this directly to my face, it is more of a medium coverage, but it is so pretty. The shade match is perfect. I'm very excited to see how this wears. It's very, very humid today, so I feel like the humidity makes or breaks your makeup. So it's 9:37 right now. I'm gonna film more videos because I have a lot more to film, and I will check back in with you guys once I'm done filming to show you how the makeup is holding up, and then I'll check in with you guys like in the afternoon and before I take my makeup off. I just got done filming, and I want to show you what the skin tint looks like by the window. It's been about an hour, and I really love how this is looking on the skin. I do have a little bit of creasing on the under eye, but that's expected. I really love how this is wearing. It's still very glowy and natural looking. This is definitely a your skin but better type of product, but I love that. I will update you guys in a couple of hours to show you how it wears. So it is about 2 o'clock now, and I wanted to do a little check-in. I'm standing at the window again. I do have the lights on, but the power keeps flickering because it's so windy here today. And I think the power might go out soon because of how windy it is. But I think the foundation looks really, really good. I did wipe off the teeniest bit because I just had to blow my nose. But it's so glowy and so dewy, and it's wearing so nicely. Definitely loving this so far. I think my last check-in is going to be before I take this off before I go to bed. It's 9 p.m. now, and I've had the skin tint on for almost 11 hours. I think it looks really, really pretty still. It's so glowy where the light hits. I really love that. It's so glowy where the light hits, which I think looks so pretty. I think it wore really well throughout the day. I just have my skincare, the primer, this, and a little bit of bronzer on. I feel like the bronzer looks a little patchy, but that could be because I was like laying down and like had my hands like this and my head was on a pillow. But other than that, this skin tint wears beautifully throughout the day. I definitely recommend getting this. It will be linked down below as always. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!